If you're curious about the Scottie no-code AI agents, the brand new AI software that's taken the digital world by storm, you're in the right place. In this review, I'm breaking down 7 crucial things you need to know about Scottie before you dive in. Stick around, because I'll reveal exactly why this tool is making waves and whether it's the right fit for your business. Before we get into it, I want to let you know that you can try Scottie completely free from the first link in the description below. That's right, no cost to explore what Scottie has to offer. Alright, let's jump right in. First up, Scottie is built for simplicity. Unlike most AI tools out there, you don't need to be a developer to use it. It's a no-code platform, meaning you can set up powerful AI agents without writing a single line of code. Whether you're a business owner or digital marketer, this makes Scottie incredibly accessible, even if you have no technical background. What's more impressive is how Scottie can automate tasks across multiple platforms. Think of it as having your own digital assistant that can handle everything from customer support to lead generation, all without manual input. Imagine the hours saved by automating repetitive tasks. With Scottie, you can focus on scaling your business, while the AI takes care of the rest. Another standout feature is its customization. Scottie isn't a one-size-fits-all tool. It allows you to tailor AI agents to your specific needs. Whether you're creating chatbots, handling customer queries, or automating content creation, Scottie lets you customize each agent to fit your workflow perfectly. And with no-code functionality, the process is intuitive and quick, so you can make changes on the fly. One thing you'll appreciate about Scottie is its seamless integrations. It works well with many of the top platforms you already use, from email marketing tools to CRMs and social media platforms. This level of integration makes it a solid addition to any existing tech stack. No need to worry about compatibility issues or spending extra time configuring complex systems. The software also stands out when it comes to scalability. Whether you're just getting started or running a large-scale operation, Scottie can grow with you. You won't need to constantly upgrade or switch tools as your business expands. This means long-term value as you can continue to rely on Scottie no matter how much your needs evolve. Now, you might be wondering about the learning curve. Scottie is designed to be user-friendly, so even if you've never touched an AI tool before, you won't feel overwhelmed. The interface is clean and easy to navigate, with plenty of resources available to help you get started quickly. Plus, if you ever run into issues, their support team is there to guide you. Finally, let's talk about pricing. Scottie offers a completely free version, which is perfect for anyone who's hesitant to commit, without testing it out first. But if you decide you want to unlock the full potential, they have premium plans that expand the range of features. So, whether you're just dipping your toes in or ready to go all in, there's a plan that fits. To sum it up, Scottie no-code AI agents is a game changer for anyone looking to leverage AI without getting into the weeds of coding. From its easy setup to powerful integrations and scalability, this software can genuinely make your workflow smoother and more efficient. If you're ready to see it in action, remember you can try Scottie for free through the first link below. After trying thousands of AI tools, I can confidently say Scottie is one of the best I've encountered. Also, don't forget to check out my recommended AI software list in the description to explore more tools that can help grow your business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.